Cooking with the new wave. This is an older model, probably. The new wave. Check it out. We're doing those little filet mignons. They got the bacon wrap. We're gonna do like 8 minutes on each side. Hopefully that won't be too much. What do you think? Looks pretty yummy, huh? It's got those. I don't know. I don't think those are thermometers like the turkey. I think this holds everything together. A little plastic thing sticking out. Oh yeah, I love plastic in my filet mignon. That's my favorite. I love the new wave oven though. It's pretty cool. Been using this thing for years. All right, I'll show you what it looks like when I flip it over in 7 minutes.
Okay.
All right, that's the 7 or 8.
7.
7 minutes. I don't know, man. We might have to do
a lot more.
Yeah, we watched this YouTube video, so that's how we're basing this. All right,
Pretty raw.
Yeah, we don't like raw, but we do like medium or medium rare. Let's put it out towards the edge.
See, part of the
we like medium rare.
Bacon. You gotta make sure the bacon's cooked too. So
all right, we've already seasoned it, so you can see it's on there. So, I think we should go for maybe. Because we didn't have any burnness on there, right? We're good?
No, it's okay.
No darkness at all? No, just a little bit.
No.
I don't know. 8 or 9?
I'd go 9.
All right, we're going to go 9, you guys. We'll do a 7 and a 9?
Yeah, 7 and a 9.
All right. And these are, if you guys want to know what these are.
They were on sale.
They're on sale. We got Freddie Myers.
We did. And I'm telling you right now, they're beautiful because we cooked these at Christmas last year, and these look just as good.
But that's what they are.
Okay, I couldn't pass that up, you guys, because they're normally like at least $3.99, sometimes $4.99.
But notice they call it a tenderloin fillet.
And this was our Christmas dinner last year.
So it's not a filet mignon, but they made us think it was. But it's really yummy. It's going to be yummy.
Yeah.
We had one last Christmas.
All right, don't be too proud to kick it. We got them on sale.
Yes, $1.99. You can't beat that for dinner. We have that and some mashed potatoes and some peas.
Yeah, so tonight's dinner was like less than $10.
Right on, dude. This is going to be awesome.
Right.
All right.
We are back.
Oh no! Oh no, they shrank! They got smaller! Alright, so you know those thermometers they have in turkeys? Dude, I was saying that's probably got one of those thermometers in there that pops out when it's done, like a turkey. But no, I think I was right. That's just a staple to hold this fake filet mignon together. Alright, let's slice this open and see what it looks like. Be right back. Alright, dude, check it out. We're going to see... Oh, peas over there. Get over there, peas. We're going to see what it looks like, see how we did.
Yeah.
Ah!
Whoa.
Perfect.
That's beautimous.
Alright, so
nice.
That was 7 on one side,
and then 9
on the other, and then 4 on the other side.
Yeah. So many we lost count, so it's good that we just noted it.
But I think it's done. We're going to go with raw.
Yeah.
Or whatever.
Let's see. Oh, man. I'm kind of scared. Is mine going to be a tartare?
Oh, yours is cooked more.
Oh, nice.
Good.
Sweet.
Alright.
Righteous. Okay. And then we're going to have some mashed taters with this, so...
We'll do the whole plate. We'll be right back.
Yeah, we'll be right back.
Check it out. Alright. There's the final product, you guys. Mashed taters, peas, and a fake filet, not mignon. Alright. Catch you guys later. It's yummy. We had it before, so I would taste it for you, but I already know it's good. So hope you guys are having a good evening. Catch you later. Oh my gosh. It tastes like bacon, you guys. It's so like bacony with that piece of bacon. Oh man, it's so good. I had to come back. I told you that I already knew what it tastes like, but I forgot how good it was. It's so bacony. It tastes so good. All right. Anyway, we'll catch you later. Thanks for watching. Bye.